Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use card mat Cricut Joy Xtra, updated. Place the card on the card mat with the fold aligned to the mat hinge and the front panel centered. Select your design in Design Space and set material to cardstock or insert cards. Load the card mat carefully, start the cut, and monitor the first test cut for alignment and pressure. When preparing a design, measure the card front and keep elements within the safe area to avoid the fold. Toggle right then cut for handwritten notes and choose your pen type in Design Space. For intricate cuts, reduce speed and increase pressure, and always preview the operation. Save a test pattern on scrap paper or a spare card to confirm alignment and finish before committing valuable cards. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with crafting gifts that have long-term value. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you buy through those links, it helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Load the card mat with the card folded inward so the machine sees the front face, then press the mat into the rollers until it clicks. Start with default blade and test pressure, watching the first pass for missed lines. If you see lifting or shifting, pause and reseat the card or replace the mat, then resume. Clean rollers occasionally and store mats flat to maintain consistent adhesion and results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.